everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marissa if you're new here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. As you can see by all the photos, I am doing a huge back to school haul, try on haul for you guys. School is coming. School actually is starting for, I know, high school and stuff here in Arizona, but college does start in like 2-3 weeks. I'm so sad. But I figured I would do a huge back to school haul because I love watching back to school hauls. They kind of just give me like ideas on what to wear to school, and that's basically it. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you want to see all the things I got for school, then just keep on watching. I clearly have a lot of things for school. I've kind of collected this stuff over the past, I'd say, month or so, just so I had a lot to show you guys and stuff like that. So to begin is what I'm wearing right now. I picked up this really cute Wrangler little sweater from Nordstrom's probably about 2 weeks ago. I still saw it there today, and I love this. I know that it's like kind of long sleeve, but I know fall is coming soon for a lot of states, not Arizona, but this can be worn during the fall. It's super lightweight. It will keep you warm. I wore it in California at night and it was amazing. I wore it to the beach and I'll have some photos for you guys. It's also on my Instagram if you follow me on Instagram. But I love this and I think it's so cute for school. Again, you can wear them with shorts to kind of like what I have on now, or with jeans, like literally anything, and I think it's so cute. Super basic, you can just throw it on, go to school, and you're good to go. I'll try to have everything linked down below. Everything is from all different sites and stores. So if I can find it, I'll definitely link it down below, but if not, I will always put dupes for it or something very similar. So I kind of zoomed you guys in, sorry. So to begin, I have this really cute white band tee from H&M. Didn't even know H&M sold band tees, but they do. And it's this really cute Rolling Stone one with obviously the Rolling Stone tongue logo. This is a really nice thin material, so it's really good for the summertime when your classes start. So we start in August, which is still so hot here in Arizona. So this is really lightweight and thin. And I got it in a medium, that way I can like tie it up, tuck it in. I kind of wanted it to be a little bit more baggy and loose fitting. That's just more comfortable for me when I'm in school. And yeah, I think this is literally so cute. I'm obsessed with band tees, and I usually get band tees and I usually crop them, but I wanted this one to be a little bit flowier than a crop top. This top right here is from Abercrombie Fitch. It looks weird because it's hanging up, so I'm gonna take it off the hanger for you guys to really show you guys what it is. So it kind of is an off-the-shoulder top. It's a bodysuit and it kind of sits like that. So it's super cute, just white ribbed, and it kind of sits on the shoulders, and it just is really fancy. I would definitely probably not wear this to class because like I feel like I'd be super uncomfortable all the time, but this is definitely for like birthdays or going out with friends or something like that, and I think that it's literally the cutest top ever. So I just threw it in there because why not? Next is this really cute dress from Zara. This was on the sales section, so I'm not sure I'll be able to find this, but it's so cute and it just buttons up like in the back. But I think that this is so cute. It was only like $15, which was insane because it originally was like $50. Okay, we love that. You guys watched my recent California vlog where I met like Ken Todd and stuff like that. I was wearing this and then the camera died. Or the camera died. So I was wearing this really cute little dress. I didn't get any photos in it, but it just keeps falling off the hanger. But I love this dress and I think it is so cute, perfect for school, just a cute little throw-on dress maybe for the first day, or if you have a presentation, you want to look nice. I think it's just so cute. Next top is from Topshop, and I'm absolutely in love. I get total Emma Chamberlain vibes when I wear this. But I love wearing this with some baggy Levi 501 jeans, which I will show you. But this top is so cute for school if you kind of want to get more dressed up. You can also make it very casual and wear it with leggings or shorts, jeans, you know. It is kind of like a crop top, so just keep that in mind if you don't like crop tops. But I just think that it's so cute. It has like the little collar, and you can definitely dress this up or down. I think it's so cute, and I love the color. Totally up my color palette. Literally so cute. The next top is from Nordstrom's. I'm kind of going all over the place, sorry, but I wanted to like color coordinate everything. But this next top is from Nordstrom's and it's by the brand Leith, Leith. I don't know, but I love this top. It's kind of like a little scoop neck in a way when you kind of put it on, and it definitely covers a lot of like my belly area, so it does look like a crop top, but I got it in a size medium, that way it is a little bit longer. Now that is a really big like little hack, is if you want a crop top but you don't want it as cropped in your normal size up and it will be a little bit longer. Yeah, tip. That's what I do, because sometimes when I get a small, it is like way too cropped for me. And I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna go with the medium. So that's what I did here, and I love it. It's just like a thin, like elastic strap top with a little scoop neck, and you can definitely dress this up if you want to go out somewhere, go party, but you can also wear it to class as like a casual outfit, throw on some denim shorts, a belt, some sneakers, and you're good to go. This next top I'm really excited for. I picked this up at the Aritzia store in California, and it is so comfortable. The color, might you add, is gorgeous. It's like this pastel baby pink, so pretty. And this was on sale too for like $30 or something, or $20, I don't know. And it is a small. I really wish they had other sizes, but this was the last one and I couldn't pass up the opportunity. So I got it in a small. I wish I got in a bigger size so it could be a little bit more baggy, so I can wear it with biker shorts. Like I still can, but I wish it was just a little bit longer. It would be perfect. But this is so cute for the winter time. Definitely is going to keep you warm. It has some fleece on the inside. It's super cute, super casual, and I don't know about you, but I love being comfy in the wintertime and during class, so this is just perfect. So the next top, I didn't actually purchase at a store. Well, I did. I purchased it at Goodwill, so I don't think you're going to be able to get it. But I actually made it, and I made a whole video. I made a whole video on thrift flips and kind of creating a brand new novel inspired top. So this is one of them, and I think it is so cute. Wanted to throw this in here because I did buy it and I did make it for school. So I think it's so cute. I added some just butterfly patches, and it really just adds such a cute curly vibe. It also kind of reminds me of Dora, but that's totally fine. We love her. But yeah, I think this is so cute just for school, to make your own tops and to save a little bit more money instead of going out and buying new stuff. Go to the thrift store, see what you can like flip at the thrift store. So maybe there's a dress, you want to make it into a top, there you go, you save some money. So definitely check out your local thrift store for back to school shopping, because you can actually find a lot. Speaking of the thrift store, this is my favorite find possibly ever. I'm just gonna like hang these black things up so you can really see what this shirt looks like. Oh, there's only one. But this is a BD shirt, and I'm pretty sure it's just like a vintage BD shirt, because this literally looks like something you would find at Versace. So it looks like this pattern right here. It's a nice yellow color. It is so cute, kind of reminded me of Versace when I first saw it, and that's why I really love this. And it's total vintage, just a halter top. Now I know you can't wear these in high school, but in college you can wear whatever you want. So I think this would be so cute just to go to class one day with a pair of jeans and just like really cute sandals or sneakers, or even with some shorts. But this is also a really nice going out top, going to dinner with some friends, stuff like that. So like I said, check out your local thrift store, because you can find really good stuff at an affordable price. Next up, we have a really cute just bodycon dress. This is like an olive army green. I love it. It's from H&M, and I just think that these are so easy to dress up and down for school. Throw it on to one garment, add some accessories, add sneakers or some sandals, you're good to go. Like literally, dresses are the easiest thing to wear to class, I feel like, because I don't have to sit there and like plan out an outfit, what looks good with these shorts or these pants, or what shirt do I want to wear. I just throw on a dress, throw shoes, and it looks like I actually tried when it took zero time at all. So that's definitely a really big hack for school, honestly, is buy dresses, because one, it's way too hot here in Arizona. Two, just so easy to this dress. It's so cute. It's really, really flattering on the body, I feel like. And I'm not a big, like, tight dress person. Like, I am, but I always have to wear, like, spandex underneath, just, you know, suck me in. And also because I don't want creepy people looking at my dress, you know? So this is so flattering. It literally sucks everything in without even having to wear Spanx or anything. And it is so comfortable. The next two tops, like I said, I actually made them from the thrift store, cut them, and I added some patches. But I figured again I'd throw it in here because this is also something that I would wear to school. And I wanted to make them for a video, but I also wanted to wear them around, like, for school and stuff anyways. So just threw them in here. So I have a black one with a little cherry patch, and then this red one, which is my favorite, with a little lightning bolt that I ironed on. So I really love these. Like, again, like I've said before, go to the thrift store, find some things, and kind of recreate brands that you love. That way you don't have to spend a fortune going back to school shopping. So this top's are really, really fun. And this is from AFRM. I got it at Nordstrom's. I did it in a medium because bodysuits I size up because I hate when it, like, is going up your butt, okay? Like, it's just uncomfortable. But this one's nice because it's a thong. The only thing is it doesn't button at the bottom. Biggest pet peeve, okay? I have to, like, take the whole thing off to go to the bathroom. But this is the most comfiest bodysuit I've ever owned. Like, literally, and it is so cute. Animal print, so in. But I really, really love this. This is really cute for going out, getting a little bit dressed up with your friends, you know, having a really cute chic outfit. But you could also dress it down with a pair of shorts, which is why I got it. I put it on with a pair of shorts with some Nike Air Force Ones, and I fell in love. I think it's just so cute, so feminine, and so girly that you can literally go either way with it, and that's why I'm obsessed. So this next top, super basic, got it from Abercrombie Fitch. It is just a little cute, kind of like a crop top in a way, but honestly not really, and it buttons up. So I love this. This is just super casual to wear with a pair of leggings, shorts, jeans, when you really just don't want to get ready, you know? We all have those days. So these are really nice, and I think they were only like $12 or so. So I want to get a few more colors, like gray and stuff, just to have some basics in my collection that I can literally pair with anything, and then I can dress it up with really cute layered necklaces and bracelets, earrings, and all that good stuff. So good to have some basics when you're going back to school, because when it's early in the morning and you have a 7:30 class, you just don't want to get ready. Throw this on with a pair of leggings and you're out the door. This next little number is from H&M, right? I know, it's so cute. And it is kind of just like that cargo material and look, utility look, dress. Super cute, has like a little belt and zippers. It is so cute, and I love that it's just all black. This is really perfect again for going out or even going to class if you want to just get all nice and look really cute. And honestly, it's so easy. Put it on, put sneakers on, and you're good to go. So I picked up two jackets for back to school. This one is from Zara. It's so freaking cute, okay? It is a crop denim jacket. It's a little bit oversized. It is a small, but it fits oversized, which is why I love it, and I love that it's cropped. It is so cute. This is so cute with this little red top that I made and some leggings and Air Force Ones. Oh my gosh, guys. It's such a look. I love it. This will literally go with dresses, skirts, jeans, shorts, any type of top. So cute. And also if you get chilly in class, you can just throw it on, you know, or you can tie it around your waist. Perfect for school, fall, even summertime. The next jacket I actually picked up today, like literally today as I'm filming this, and it is the sickest windbreaker ever, okay, for two reasons. One, it's camo, okay, and this is also from Zara. I got an extra small, and it fits the same as if I wore a medium, because my friend got a medium and I tried it on. It's just a little bit longer, like you can't even tell, so definitely, if you're small like me, you can either go medium, small, or extra small. So I did extra small. But the reason why this is so cool is apparently, if you look on the back here, there's like a zipper right here and some other zippers. Apparently, it becomes a backpack. I don't know, it a girl was checking this out and was like, some girl showed me the other day that this like becomes a backpack. So you can like wear your coat as a backpack. Let's say if you're going to Disney, you don't want to carry your coat, you like fold it somehow, and it becomes a freaking backpack. I'm not quite sure yet how that's even possible. I haven't really figured it out. Oh my god, she's right. Here's the straps. Whoa, that is so sick. You probably like fold it in or something and make it into a backpack. Moving on to the pants. So when I was at Aritzia, these have like dog hair over it, all over them. I'm sorry. Perks of having a dog. I got some biker shorts. These are just the black TNA. I think it's the Atmosphere ones. They're the $38 ones. They're a little bit more thicker than the $18 ones, and I got them in a small. And they are the 7-inch, which I wish I couldn't find the 5-inch ones. I wish I could, because these are just a smidget, like a smidget too long for me, because I'm very short. So I wanted the 5-inch ones, but these will do, and I love them. So I'm gonna have to order the 5-inch ones online, but these are the best biker shorts ever. It's so hard to find biker shorts that aren't see-through because I just have a big butt, so everything is always see-through. So finding a nice pair of biker shorts that aren't see-through is totally awesome, and I found the perfect pair. Now so many different colors. Moving on to jeans. Most of my jeans here are from Abercrombie and Levi's. So I have two from Abercrombie, which are just these black ripped skinny jeans, which I love. They have kind of like a raw hem. Let me get up to those here. They kind of have a raw hem, and there is some cuts on the knees. You'll see in the try on. They are button up, very, very high waisted. I love them. You're probably like, why didn't you get any shorts for back to school? And you're totally right. But I got jeans instead because I have so many shorts I don't need anymore. I wanted a good pair of just like very high-waisted black jeans because I don't own a pair and that are ripped, and Abercrombie Fitch just knew what I wanted and saved the day. These jeans I love. These are from Abercrombie as well, and they're kind of like that vintage wash. So pretty. And they are like that like mom jean type of fit. What are these called? I don't know. They did have a name to them. They're called the Zoe Natural Rise Ankle Straight. So they're supposed to be straight on your ankle, but they do flare a little bit. They are a little bit long on me because I'm short, so I might just have to just give them a little cutaroo. But they just have the raw hem to them, and they fit kind of like a mom jean. Now these are my new favorite pair of jeans. You probably have seen them all over my Instagram. If you follow me, I'll leave my socials right here for you, but I've been posting so many photos in these. These are the Levi 501s, and they are just that light wash, again, that like vintage light wash. That's like a vintage dark wash. This is a vintage, oh my god, a vintage? This is a vintage light wash, and it has a bunch of rips, and they fit like a mom jean. They're a total mom jean. Again, they have like that straight leg. I cuff them because I'm just too short. And they fit so well. And that completes this massive back to school haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I hope it gave you some ideas on what you can wear for back to school, or maybe you found something you like and you're gonna go buy it. I'll have everything, or try to have everything linked down below. If not, I'll find dupes for it and maybe more affordable prices, because I know most of these are under $40 except for the jeans, but all the shirts and stuff are under $40, I believe. So, yeah. Hope you guys really enjoyed. Hope you guys have a good first day back at school. I hope I do. Hope nothing goes wrong. But anyways, give this video a big thumbs up. If you like school or college-related videos, definitely give me a comment down below and a thumbs up, and I'll definitely do more. And subscribe to my channel, follow my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!